Hello, Bidati Bhai Baniharu. Today we will be multiplying decimals. It's the same thing as multiplying any other numbers without decimals. Okay, for example, if we have the number 32 and you need to multiply it by 3, then all you do is the column method. You multiply the 3 and the 2 together. 3 2s are 6, so there's no carryover here, and you multiply the 3 with the 3. 3 3s 9, so it's 96. Again, if we've got another number with a decimal in it, say for example the same numbers but with a decimal, 3.2, and you multiply it by the 3. Okay, so all you do is you discount the decimal first and then you copy the numbers 3 2 3 times. Okay. So all you've done now is that you got rid of this decimal from here and you just copied the numbers down. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is the same thing. 3 times 2 is 6. Oops, the pen's not working. Okay, 6. And 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so we've got 96 here as a number. Now we can see that in here, after the decimal point, there's one number. So there's one digit after the decimal point, and in here there's no decimal. Okay, although the decimal point is here, but we don't count that. So we got one digit after the decimal place. So what you do is you just count from the right of your answer from here, and you put 1 and you go one place to the left. So you've got the decimal point over here. So 3.2 times 3 is 9.6. Okay, moving on to more complex numbers. For example, if we've got 3.2 times 1.4. Okay. The first thing that you do is you copy the numbers down into a column method without the decimal point. So 3.2 becomes 32 and 1.4 becomes 14. Okay, and you multiply the numbers together. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, and on to the next row. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. And you add them all up together here. 8 and nothing is going to give you 8. 2 and 2, 4, and 1 and 3, 4. Okay. Now you look at the decimal point here and here. So in here, after the decimal point, you've got one digit, and in this number, you've got one digit after the decimal point again. So you have a total of two places after the decimal point. So what you do is you count from the right of your answer here 2 places. 1, 2. So your decimal point goes up here. So what you get is the answer, which is 3.2 times 1.4 is 4.48.